Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. So today we're going to be doing kind of like a soft Korean inspired makeup tutorial. It's not going to be like super crazy. It's going to be super easy to do also. I just want to do like a more soft, fluttery, I guess, kind of look today. So I just put my primer on. I use this one. Focus camera. It is the Bella Forever Primer, High Definition Soothing Face Primer. It has like gold flakes in it. So I just did that, and now I'm gonna go in my Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodile. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure that's how you say it, but I love, love, love the smell of it, and it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put a few drops. It smells so good, like citrus, like spring. How spring would smell, this is how it smells. But yeah, I just wanted to try like a new style of makeup. I don't know how good it'll come out. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. It's already getting like dark here, that's why like the lighting's like weird. I'm using artificial lighting, so and usually I just use daylight. So that's why like the lighting looks weird. I'm just using like a mini ring light. It smells, oh my god, it smells like spring. Like, I don't know, it's like sweet but citrus, but it's so nice. Alright, and now we're gonna go out with foundation. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the color Walnut and Almond. One's way darker than me and then one's too light for me, so I just mixed the two. See how it's like too dark? It's okay. Because I'm going to mix it with almond. But I like these foundation sticks because it has like a natural finish. You know, it's not like too matte. See, this one's too light. It sucks because it's hard to find my foundation shade because I have like such a neutral undertone, and no company really makes like a really good like neutral undertone foundation for me. Which sucks, but it doesn't matter. But I really like Korean makeup, like I really do. It's so pretty and just soft and subtle. So that's my foundation. I'm not gonna conceal because I usually don't conceal anyways. And to me it's just an extra step that I don't want to take. Honestly, like I'm legit just too lazy to like conceal and do all that. So and then I'm just gonna use the BH Studio Pro contour palette. I'm just gonna use it as eyeshadow. Like I don't care, I don't mind. And I'm just gonna go in with this color right here. Essentially, they're just big eyeshadows to me. I'm just gonna blend it onto my lid. It's just like a soft brown, a little bit darker than my skin tone. Well, like I said, it's Korean inspired, but it's not exactly Korean makeup. Oh, I really like this as an eyeshadow. It's really pretty. Super pretty, actually. I like it. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna start using this like every day as a base color. And what I'm going to do is just get some on my finger. Rub my fingers together and just put it on my lid. Super pretty. I don't know how good the camera's picking that up. Like I said, just get some on my finger, literally just a little bit. Focus camera. Rub it in my fingers because it's suspended in alcohol and just tapping it. I hope it's focusing well. Maybe I should try to zoom in more. Let me try to zoom in more. So maybe I should pick up like the sparkle. So this is how the lids look right now. And now what we're gonna do is take that same brush that we had before, go back in with that same color. I'm just gonna move my hair out the way and I'm just gonna blend under. Super pretty. It's like the perfect brown. I'm just blending under my eye. And then we're gonna take that glitter again. Put some on your finger like that. Rub it in and then gently tap it under. That's so pretty. Eyeliner. Now Koreans, they usually don't use heavy eyeliner, which is nice, but I'm going to. Instead of flicking the eyeliner out into like an angle, I'm gonna keep it straight. It's actually gonna curve down instead of up. There we go. So instead of going upwards for a wing, I'm going down. It makes my eyes look more big, if that makes sense. Since I have really almond shaped eyes, it's very flattering. I'm going with this shade, which is the darkest shade I have right here. I'm gonna tap a little bit. I'm gonna put that exactly where I put the eyeliner. This little eyeliner doesn't look too harsh. And now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm using the Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. But we're gonna go in with blush. We're gonna go in with Tao, which is like a coral color, and Yara, which is a brown, and B, which is purple. I'm just gonna sweep over the nose and flick upwards onto your cheekbones. A little bit on the tip of my nose, a little bit up here, just to get more color in my face. And now lips. I'm actually really excited to do lips. So I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout lip color in the color Undercover Lover. It's just a red. Focus camera. My daughter broke it, so that's why it's all like wonky, like it's literally broken. But what I'm gonna do is put some on the inside of my lip. Just watch what I do. Let's see. There we go. And then we're gonna put this lip gloss over top of it. Focus camera. Stop. I actually made this lip gloss, so it's not like you can't buy it in stores. But it's just a brown, like nudish lip gloss, and it has sparkles. We're gonna put that over top. So pretty. There we go. I'll show you a swatch of the lip gloss I made, by the way. I'll just swatch it for you guys. It's a nude brown. It has sparkles in it. There we go. Hope you guys can see that. Let me put it like right here. It's just a nude brown. It's literally like the perfect color ever if you like nudes. That's what it looks like. Alright. Focus camera. I'm just gonna spray my face. So this is the look, guys. So this is my Korean inspired makeup look. I think it came out really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up because it actually helps my videos be found. And please comment down below what's your favorite style of makeup. I think it came out really cute. Like really cute, like everyday makeup. Really pretty. I like it. I can't stop looking at myself. Alright, love you guys. Bye.